world of luxury watches is often associated with elegance, prestige, and meticulous craftsmanship. These timepieces are not just instruments to tell time, they are symbols of status, artistry, and a rich heritage that spans centuries. Behind these exquisite timepieces lie stories of dedication, innovation, and often unexpected journeys. Each watch carries with it a legacy, a tale of the hands that crafted it and the vision that brought it to life. One such story is that of a former soldier whose path from the battlefield led him to create the most expensive watch in the world. His journey is a remarkable transformation from a life of conflict to one of precision and artistry. This is the tale of a man who traded trenches for workshops, combat boots for watchmakers' loops, and the clamour of war for the intricate symphony of ticking gears. His transition was not just a change of profession, but a profound shift in his life's purpose. His story challenges our preconceived notions of watchmaking and reminds us that extraordinary talent can emerge from the most unlikely of places. It is a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt and excel, no matter the circumstances. Driven by an unwavering spirit and honed by the rigors of military life, this soldier embarked on a new mission to conquer the intricate world of horology and leave an indelible mark on the world of luxury timepieces. His dedication and passion became the driving forces behind his success. His journey is a testament to the power of human resilience, the allure of intricate craftsmanship, and the timeless pursuit of excellence. It serves as an inspiration to all, showing that with determination and skill, one can achieve greatness in even the most unexpected fields. His name for now remains shrouded in the mystery that often surrounds the creators of such exceptional pieces. The legacy he left behind, however, speaks volumes about his character and dedication. What is known is that he served his country with honor, earning the respect and admiration of his peers and superiors alike. His years in the military were not just a period of service, they were a transformative journey that shaped his character and instilled in him values that would later define his success as a watchmaker. The intensity of his gaze, reminiscent of his days on the field, hints at a past filled with challenges overcome and sacrifices made. Each line on his face tells a story of resilience and determination. His time in the service was marked by discipline, precision, and an unwavering commitment to excellence, qualities that would later become the cornerstones of his watchmaking career. Every drill, every mission, every moment of training contributed to the meticulous craftsmanship he would later be known for. He learned to remain calm under pressure, to make critical decisions with meticulous accuracy, and to approach every task with unwavering dedication. These lessons were not just about survival, they were about thriving in the face of adversity. These were not just skills, they were ingrained values, forged in the crucible of military life. They became the foundation upon which he built his future, a testament to the enduring power of service and sacrifice. The transition from soldier to watchmaker was not a sudden leap, but rather a carefully considered decision born from a deep-seated passion. Even amidst the demanding life in the military, he found solace in the intricate mechanisms of timepieces. He would spend his rare moments of respite disassembling and reassembling old watches, his fascination with their complexity growing with each passing day. What began as a hobby soon transformed into an all-consuming passion. He sought out master watchmakers, apprenticing under their expert guidance, his innate talent and military discipline allowing him to quickly absorb the intricate art of horology. His transition was not without its challenges, but his military background had equipped him with the resilience and determination to persevere. He understood that mastery, in watchmaking as in combat, demanded unwavering focus, tireless dedication, and an unyielding pursuit of perfection. The world of watchmaking, much like the battlefield, presents its own unique set of challenges. The soldier-turned-watchmaker encountered these obstacles head-on, his military training proving to be an invaluable asset. He faced the intricate mechanisms of timepieces with the same meticulousness he had once applied to disarming explosives, his hands steady, his focus unwavering. He viewed each technical difficulty as a challenge to be surmounted, each intricate mechanism a puzzle to be solved. His workshop became his new battlefield, where he fought not with weapons but with files, tweezers, and loops. The pressure to excel was immense, but he thrived under it, his military background having hardened him against adversity. He embraced the long hours, the painstaking attention to detail, and the relentless pursuit of perfection, his passion for watchmaking fueling his every move. The soldier's military background permeated every aspect of his watchmaking, shaping his approach and influencing his unique style. The discipline instilled during his service was evident in the meticulous organization of his workshop, the precision of his movements, and his unwavering commitment to quality. Every component, every gear, every screw was treated with the utmost care and respect, reflecting a deep understanding of the intricate symphony of a well-crafted timepiece. His timekeeping creations were not mere accessories. They were instruments of precision, their accuracy and reliability a testament to his military upbringing. He understood that a watch, much like a soldier, had to be dependable under pressure, capable of performing flawlessly under any circumstance. This unwavering commitment to precision and reliability became the hallmark of his work, setting him apart in the competitive world of luxury watchmaking. A masterpiece unveiled, the anatomy of a record-breaking watch. The pinnacle of his career, the creation that cemented his place in horological history, was a watch of unparalleled complexity and craftsmanship. It was a symphony of precious metals, rare gemstones, and intricate mechanics, each element meticulously crafted and assembled with a level of precision that bordered on the impossible. The watch, a marvel of horological engineering, boasted a multitude of complications, each more intricate than the last. A perpetual calendar, a minute repeater, a tourbillon. Complications that are considered the pinnacle of watchmaking artistry were seamlessly integrated into its design. The timepiece, a testament to his genius, transcended the realm of mere watches, becoming a collector's dream, a symbol of unparalleled luxury and exclusivity. Legacy of excellence, a legacy forged in time. The soldier's legacy in the world of horology extends far beyond the creation of a single, albeit extraordinary, timepiece. He founded his own brand, a name synonymous with exceptional craftsmanship, innovative design, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Each watch produced under his brand's name bore the imprint of his military past, precision, reliability, and a timeless elegance that transcended fleeting trends. His brand quickly ascended the ranks of elite watchmakers, sought after by collectors and connoisseurs worldwide who recognized the unique blend of technical mastery and artistic vision that defined his creations. His watches became coveted heirlooms, passed down through generations, each tick a testament to the soldier-turned-watchmaker's enduring legacy. The soldier's imprint, a lasting legacy in horology. The soldier's journey from the battlefield to the workbench serves as an inspiration to aspiring watchmakers and a testament to the power of human ingenuity. He proved that passion, dedication, and an unwavering pursuit of excellence can overcome even the most daunting challenges. His impact on the world of horology extends far beyond the creation of exquisitely crafted timepieces. It lies in the values he embodied and the standards he set. His legacy is carried on by the skilled artisans who continue to uphold his exacting standards, crafting timepieces that are not only marvels of engineering but also works of art. His story serves as a reminder that true luxury lies not just in precious materials but also in the dedication, skill, and artistry that goes into creating something truly exceptional. The future of time, innovation, and tradition. In a world where the pace of life is ever accelerating, the balance between innovation and tradition becomes crucial. This delicate dance is nowhere more evident than in the art of watchmaking. The soldier-turned-watchmaker's impact on the watch industry will continue to be felt for generations to come. His journey from the battlefield to the workshop is a testament to resilience and adaptability, qualities that are essential in both war and craftsmanship. His story underscores the importance of preserving traditional watchmaking techniques while embracing innovation and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in horology. The meticulous attention to detail and the dedication to craft are what make these timepieces not just instruments, but works of art. As technology advances and the world of watchmaking evolves, his legacy will serve as a guiding star for future generations of watchmakers. The fusion of cutting-edge technology with age-old techniques creates a symphony of precision and beauty. The soldier's extraordinary journey reminds us that the most exceptional creations are often born from the most unexpected places. His transformation from a soldier to a master watchmaker is a story of passion, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. His story is a testament to the enduring allure of fine watchmaking, an art form where precision meets passion and where time itself is both the canvas and the masterpiece. Each watch tells a story, capturing moments and memories that transcend generations. His legacy will continue to inspire, reminding us that even in a world driven by technology, the timeless allure of handcrafted excellence will always endure. The blend of tradition and innovation ensures that the art of watchmaking will remain vibrant and relevant for years to come.